Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more videos on machine learning using Python obviously. As we have gone through some videos on machine learning such as detection of vehicle using Python, we have seen in our previous video. Then counting of people using Python, we have seen this in previous video. Also we have gone many more videos on machine learning using Python. Today's video is really innovative. So let us see in detail. First part, importing CV2 library, computer vision library, which is very important for image processing. Also import DLIB library, which is a modern C++ toolkit containing machine learning algorithm and tools for creating complex software. Then starting the webcam with the video file traffic.mp4. Then find center of the vehicle. Then draw the rectangle in part, then method main, then fgbg is equal to cv2.bscgm. it is used for image processing task. Then here generating frame around the vehicle. Then next statement, for num comma tracked in enumerate is used for this part approximate bounding shape to another shape with less number of vertices. Then here put text in the sense text on the webcam with in and out, which how many cars in and out. Then to exit the, since we have 3 frames, frame 1, frame 2 and frame 3, but important that is count is Q to exit the while loop. Here while loop is the infinite loop to exit the while loop, and stop the recording and close all window. Now I will execute the program. Yes, now it is detecting in, out 0. Now vehicles are gone, that is if same vehicle goes out, then it detects 1, in 5, then it detects out 3. So in 10, out 4. If same vehicle are going out, then it will detect 6. So I successfully done with vehicle detection and counting using Python. I have taken more efforts to create this video. If you like this video, reply me with comments. Thanks for watching.